Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where we bring you real reviews of the latest tech so you know what's worth your money and what isn't. Today we're looking at something that wants to change the way we use wearables, the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses. At first, they look like a normal pair of stylish glasses, but they are packed with hidden technology. Xiaomi's idea here isn't to create a big AR headset, but to make a pair of glasses that feel natural, light, and easy to wear every day. The glasses are very light, weighing only around 40 grams, which makes them easy to keep on for hours. They come in different styles and even include models with electrochromic lenses, which means you can instantly switch the tint from clear to shaded in just a fraction of a second. That's something you usually only see in more expensive headsets. On the inside, there's a lot of hardware working quietly. A 12-megapixel wide-angle camera sits in the frame, able to record 2000-pixel video at 30 frames per second. It captures a wide field of view, giving you a natural first-person perspective when recording. Audio is handled by open-ear speakers hidden in the arms, and there are 5 microphones to pick up your voice clearly even in busy places. For performance, Xiaomi is using Qualcomm's AR1 processor along with a smaller co-chip that helps manage AI features and sensors. This setup keeps everything responsive without draining the small battery too fast. The smart features include real-time translation, QR scanning, navigation guidance, and the ability to capture and share content directly through your phone. Battery life is one of the big highlights. The glasses can last up to 8.5 hours of mixed use, which is more than many of the current competitors. Of course, if you're recording video the whole time, the battery will drop faster, but for daily tasks like calls, translation, or short recordings, it should last a good part of the day. Charging is also quick, topping up in less than an hour. Connectivity is handled with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once paired to your phone, they stay stable and smooth. There's also built-in storage so you can save photos and short videos directly before syncing them. The glasses don't project full AR visuals in front of your eyes like some headsets do, but they do use a small micro-LED display to show simple things like notifications or navigation prompts. It's minimal, but it fits the lightweight design. When it comes to price, Xiaomi is keeping things surprisingly affordable. The standard version costs around $280, with the electrochromic lens versions costing more. Compared to other smart glasses on the market, that's a very competitive price for what you're getting. There are a lot of positives here. The design is light and comfortable, the camera is solid, battery life is strong, and the lens technology is a neat extra. Add to that the voice features, translation, and the affordable price, and it's clear Xiaomi wanted these to be practical and usable. But there are also a few downsides. The video recording time is limited, the display isn't a true AR overlay, and some features may work better in China than in other regions, at least for now. Availability outside of China could also be a challenge, and like all smart glasses, privacy concerns are something people will talk about. Overall, the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses are a smart step forward. Instead of trying to overload them with features that don't fit, Xiaomi focused on comfort, battery, and simple but useful tools. They're not trying to replace your phone, but they do make it easier to stay connected and capture life in the moment without pulling a device out of your pocket. This has been Tap Tech, giving you honest looks at the tech that matters. Don't forget to subscribe and check back soon, because the next wave of gadgets is always around the corner, and we'll be here to break them down for you.